What's going on YouTube? Today we're doing a new video. We're getting LED headlights on my brother's car. The low beams. Isn't that right, Christian?
Yeah.
Tell the viewers why you have crutches.
I fucked up my knee doing a wheelie.
Alright. His birthday was not recently and I bought him these so he can see better. So I kind of skipped ahead. So let me tell you what we did. First things first, there's the bolt right here holding this. That was right here, so it bolts right there. And then another one right here, just loosen this and just pop it off, and then boom, we're good to go. Then we move into here. This is the high beam. This one is your low beam. So let's remove that one. Boom. Turn it away. I'm trying to see where it's at from the camera. So yeah, there's the light. You gotta turn it clockwise. No, it's the lock. Boom. Got it. Boom, there's that. Let me just yank that joint out real quick. Hold on, give me a second. I have. Boom. Got it out. I'm gonna put the new ones on. Got these from AutoZone. I'll put a link in the description if you want some for your charger. It's going to be, the size is H11, 2-year warranty. Look at these joints. Yeah. So let's get some of these out. Okay, we just drifted. Boom, faucet. Okay, then we just gotta plug it in. Alright, everybody out there, a little bit of struggling. I got it on. Let me see if I, oh, let me get my flash. Let me see. See if y'all can see it in the video. There it is. You can tuck the wire back in and then put the cover back on. And then you're good to go. That's pretty much on that side. You can probably see it from over here too. Kind of see the tabs. Yeah, I can see the tabs. Yeah, it looks like it went through good. Yeah. As long as it don't come off, we're chilling. So yeah, pretty much put this back in. Let's do the other side. But now looking over here, it looks kind of... It looks kind of complicated, but I don't know at the same time. But we'll see. We'll get to it. So, oh, Christian, look. Hit the light so you can turn on. Look at this joint, guys. Damn, look at that. Compared to that one. Yeah. You see right there. Obviously, we didn't get the high beams, but that's next time. So, but this is for low beams. We always use low beams anyways for most of the time. So yeah, we're gonna put all this back and then get to the next side. The other side is done. Actually, this side looked pretty easy. It's more tighter, but I don't know. I got this done faster. I think it's just because I was already used to that one. My brother's about to take a little test drive, see how it is, and then as you can see, he has windshield tint. But this will help him out when he drives. Let's see this joint. Damn, hella bright. A little demon. Oh yeah, it looks a lot better. Sheesh. A little demon. Sheesh. The little demon. Imagine LED reverse lights. Oh yeah, it'll look 10 times better. Can you see better?
Yeah.
That's good. This is what it looks like from the inside, guys. Yeah, now you can tell it's hella dark in here. But it's helping see. I don't know why he wants windshield tint, but that's him. But hey, you can see now. That's what's up. That's all that matters. You know, see his LEDs turn on in here too. Damn, hella bright. Yeah, but I think it's not bad. I think it's a good purchase. Help him out. So that's how you change your bulbs. I know I didn't technically show you how I did the other side, but it's literally the same thing. You don't have to take off the whole air box. So it's pretty simple. Nothing too bad. So that's the charger. That's how you change out the bulbs. Let's see. Oh yeah. Clean. Alright. Alright everyone, that's gonna be the end of the vlog for today. Just something quick, something simple. A little LED swap. Pretty easy. So I don't know what I want to do with the truck yet, but there's some stuff I want to do. Actually, I did my bass knob. Let me show you. Boom! My bass knob is mounted right here, where I always wanted it. Instead, I used to have it hanging like right here, literally right here. But now it's up here. It ain't the best, but it's there. It's better than nothing. And at night when you're driving, you're not gonna see how bad it looks. Eventually, I'll have someone maybe custom make one of these and put it on, and I'll be chilling. It'll be like factory. But at the moment, this works. It works perfectly fine. So that's good. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the vlog. So I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.